Insiders. I'm Jamie Lee McIntyre, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and the food health and wellness contributor to the Kingdom Insider. Welcome to my Kingdom Kitchen. Today we are making Cinderella's pumpkin spice on ice. It is a cold and chilled version of our Midnight Magic pumpkin spice coffee drink. If you're looking for more of a cozy and warm drink, definitely shoot over to that recipe. But for those of you in the South, in the Disney parks, this time of year, you know that the temperatures aren't dropping that much. So you might be looking to cool down and chill out with a iced version of everybody's favorite fall drink. So what you're gonna need for this recipe are really simple ingredients and also easy to switch out. So if you don't have a lot of these items on hand, I'll offer you some substitutes, and you can also modify it to your dietary preferences and needs as well. So first you're gonna need a frozen banana. I always bag up bananas once I get them home and keep them in Ziploc baggies and freeze them so I can use them for smoothies and drinks like this. I chop them up first too because they blend up easily in the blender that way. You're also going to want a 1/4 cup of pure pumpkin puree, so that you can easily find canned. And then you're going to need 2 dates. So this is our sweetener for this particular drink. You can swap out the dates for either real sugar, brown sugar. You can do a non-nutritive sweetener if you're looking for something to that degree. You can also do maple syrup or honey as well, but just something to give it a little bit of a sweetened flavor. You can also opt to drop it because the banana will sweeten this beverage as well. And then you're going to want a cup of Joffrey's pumpkin creme brulee coffee chilled. So whenever I make too much coffee in the morning, I always make sure to refrigerate the rest so I can use it for iced coffee drinks. And this one is great chilled, so I definitely recommend that. And if you don't have the pumpkin creme brulee flavor from Joffrey, a lot of their other blends, like their French Bistro blend or their Riviera Resort blend, would work as well because we're going to use some pumpkin pie spice to give this little extra pumpkin pie spice flavoring. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have that on hand, you could do about equal amounts of a cinnamon nutmeg blend as well. And let's see, and the last thing you're gonna need is a 1/2 cup of milk. So you can use cow's milk, you can use oat milk, soy milk, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut milk. Any milk variety will work for this recipe so long as it's not flavored. Okay, so let's get started. You'll also need a blender for this, and of course some ice. So first I'm going to add in my chilled Joffrey's pumpkin creme brulee coffee. That's going to go in first, about a cup of that, and then I'm going to do my frozen banana. Then I'm going to put in my pureed pumpkin, and it's only a 1/4 cup. Then I'm going to put in my 2 dates. I'm going to put in my 1/4 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice blend, and last but not certainly not least, my 1/2 cup of milk, chilled as well. So once all those items are in your blender, you're going to just throw them all together and then blend them right in your blender. Now, if your pumpkin, or rather if your banana is really rock hard solid, it might take a little bit longer, but mine was left at room temperature for the last 5 minutes or so, so they were defrosting but still frozen. Oh, and this looks so good, better than coffee shop version, or I should say the next best thing if you're not able to make it to the coffee shop for the real thing. And it tastes so great. I'm going to try it. Oh, Cinderella would love this. So definitely give it a try. Like I said, if you're looking for a cozy hot version of this, we have that as well, the Midnight Magic Pumpkin Spice Coffee. Or for the chilled version, Cinderella's Pumpkin Pie Spice on Ice. Give it a try at home, and if you love it, take a picture of it, post it on social media with the hashtag Kingdom Kitchen, and let us know what you think.